Oh my, stars and stripes. We're going to go ahead and jump right into this project. This is just a full-on metal star. It's roughly, I think, about 7 inches from bottom to top. This was gifted to me, but I believe they had them at Joann's, but I believe it was around Christmas time. We're going to go ahead and paint this first. We're going to bring in, I've got Waverly, and this is a matte finish, and this was just the off-white, or ivory, that's what it's called. And I'm just using a chalk paint because this is metal, and it sticks better with chalk paint. Okay, so I painted the front and the back. This is like a 3D star. And we're going to actually, this is bugging me. I'm just going to take this part off because I don't need that at this time. And we're going to put our napkin on. I got these napkins at Michael's. It's Oh My Stars. There are four of them. It is only a 2-ply. And so we're just going to take some Mod Podge and go ahead and put it on our star. Just get your finger, a little bit on your finger, it gets sticky, and it will help you separate these plies. So, and the reason I painted it white was because it actually matches a lot better there. Okay, this is probably going to wrinkle up a little bit, but that's okay. I am actually very okay with that. Because I actually really like the wrinkly look on this. Right, we're just going to take the sandpaper and take off the edges. Give it a clean finish. Okay, so I got the napkin on there. It's kind of wrinkly and whatnot. I don't mind that. I kind of like the wrinkly kind of look to it. I did add some extra part of the napkin to the tips of the star, just to kind of give it so it's not naked at the end of the star's tips. We're going to go ahead, I want to make this a hanging, so I'm going to leave this part here, and I've got some beads that are already pre-painted, red, white, and blue. This came off another project that had other little metal stars on it from Dollar Tree. So I used the stars, but I didn't use the beads. So we're going to use the beads for this project here. Just go ahead and take these off. We're going to take, I've got, this is white cord. It's from, it's actually from Walmart. And we're going to go ahead. Yeah, I think this will be big enough. Wait, first, sorry. First I want to make a bow that's going to fit above this. We're going to take some ribbon. This is burlap with stars already on it. I believe this is from like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. But we want to find out how big I want this to be. And I'm thinking about 8.5 inches works for this. We'll go 2. And what we're going to do is kind of crisscross them. Like so, and then we're going to school wrench them up. So this is going to be above our star here. Then I want to do some extra. I've got this, which is just that leafy wire, I think it's called garland, from Hobby Lobby. And we're probably going to go about 6 inches on this, because I want it to be inside of this here. And I want to do 3 strands. Then we're going to add, this is bead garland, or was it pit berries? This one's from Dollar Tree. We're going to go the same length here. We're going to do a couple of strands of these too. So we're going to assemble this. So like I said, we want to do an X with all of our things. We're going to kind of take our ends not going to completely dovetail them, but we'll do zigzags, I think, because I just don't want them to be straight across. Right, now we need something here in the center. We're going to just take our, again, the white, and I'm going to do a little bow here in the center. A little bit bigger than that. We're just going to put that, I like that, right there in the middle. I'm just going to go ahead and use my tacky glue because I like using my tacky glue. And then we want to put something here in the middle. I got these stars, these little wood stars. It was a wood star pack from Dollar General, actually, with all different size stars in it. We want to do, a blue. This is Look at Me Blue. To go ahead and match this star a little bit, we're going to do this lighter blue Sky Mist. Just like that. We're going to put that on there. All right, we're all finished with this project. It's such a beautiful hanging star with ribbon. Oh my stars. All right, keep on coming back for more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.